this video, I'm going to show you how you can resize your printable PDF files using a PDF reader such as Adobe Reader, and also how to convert PDF files into JPEG files and then resize them using a photo editing program. This is particularly useful if you purchase files in one size but need to resize them in order to best suit your paper size or project size. To resize printables using Adobe Reader, open the Printables PDF file in Adobe Reader, then select the Print button. On the Page Sizing and Handling section, you have a number of options for resizing the pages. Included is the Custom Scale option, which allows you to change the size by percentage, and this is an ideal option if you simply want to scale the size down. You can also change the size by selecting your printer from the Printer drop-down menu, then click the Properties button, which brings up the Properties dialog box for your printer. The dialog box will look different depending on the type of printer that you have, so you may need to refer to your printer manual to determine how to adjust these settings. On the Document Size menu, you can select from a number of predefined sizes. When selecting a predefined size, make sure that the Fit option on the Page Sizing and Handling section is selected so that your printable page fits within the selected page size. On the Document Size menu, you can also create your own custom size. Another way to resize your printables is to convert the pages of your PDF documents into JPEG images, and then resize them in a photo editing program such as Photoshop. This option is available in Adobe Reader, however you need to sign up for one of Adobe's subscription plans, and this can be quite expensive. An alternative is to convert your PDF files using a free online PDF converter, or you can also use Photoshop or Photoshop Elements. PDF2image.com will convert your files for free. Simply select and upload your file, then wait while it converts. Depending on the size of the file, this may take some time. Once the file has uploaded, it will automatically convert into JPEG files. Then once the conversion process is complete, download the zip file to your desktop and extract the images. Another way to convert your PDF documents into JPEG images is to open the PDF file in Photoshop or Photoshop Elements. You can open the file by using the menu commands, or you can drag the file out of the folder and onto the Photoshop desktop. The file will open in a dialog box where you can select the pages that you want to convert. To select a range of pages, select the first page, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard, select the last page, then click OK. The pages will open individually on the Photoshop editing screen, and you can then save each file as a JPEG. Once your images are converted to JPEG files, you can then resize them easily. Once the files have been converted, open an image on the editing screen, and from the main menu select Image, Image Size. You can resize the image proportionally in height and width by making sure that the little link icon is activated and locked. Then change the width or height measurement, and the other measurement will automatically adjust proportionally. You can also set the size for the height and width individually. With images, you can stretch either the height or the width by up to about 10% without causing any noticeable distortion. So for example, if you change the size of the image proportionally and set the width to 6 inches, the height automatically sets to 7.765 inches. By clicking on the link icon and releasing the lock, you can set the dimensions independently to say 6 inches wide by 8 inches high, and the image will still look perfectly normal. So this means you can set individual dimensions to best suit your paper size or project size.